Hello students, today we will do the first chapter of Flamingo, the last lesson. It is written by Alphonse Daudet. Alphonse Daudet was born on May 13, 1840. He was a French short story writer and novelist. He is remembered chiefly as the author of sentimental tales of provincial life in the south of France. The narrator of the story is a young school-going boy named Franz. That morning, he was scared as he was late for school. Also, as their teacher, M. Hamel, had announced the previous day that he would test them on the topic of participles. And Franz did not know anything at all. He was more scared of being scolded. As Franz walked past the town hall, he noticed a huge crowd at the notice board. The war with Prussia had begun 2.5 years ago, and since then all the bad news, like losing the war, occupation of Alsace and Lorraine by the enemy, had been communicated to the people through this bulletin board. The blacksmith, who was also reading the news and had come along with his trainee, called out to Franz from behind and said that he need not go in such a hurry, as there was plenty of time for him to reach school. The narration of this story is by a French boy, Franz. Franz is a lazy boy. However, in spite of his laziness, Franz likes to play and is of a sensitive nature. Furthermore, Franz hates his teacher M. Hamel in his school and has no interest in studying French. An order has come from Berlin after taking over the districts of Alsace and Lorraine in France that the German language rather than the French should be taught in the schools there. The last lesson of French. Furthermore, it is the school French teacher M. Hamel's last day. This teacher has been working there for 40 years. Moreover, the teacher has feelings of patriotism. He is also full of nostalgia and grief. The village men also attend his last lesson so as to honor and respect him. The village is regretting and is sad that they did not learn their mother tongue in their childhood. Franz realized his mistake. Franz receives a big shock when he learns that this is his last lesson in French. He is shocked because he does not know French language. Instantly, he develops liking for the teacher M. Hamel. His feelings of hatred for him suddenly came to an end. Moreover, Franz develops respect for the hard work and sincerity of his teacher. M. Hamel, reflection of his patriotism. There is a reflection of his patriotism in his praise for the French language. He says that the French language is the most logical and beautiful language in the world. It seems that M. Hamel got emotional on this occasion. Furthermore, he asked the class to guard their language. He says that being close to one's language is a way to escape the clutches of slavery. Franz feels that it is impossible to remove one's language from a person. This is because it is something that is natural to a person. This means that no matter how hard the opposition may try, they will fail to remove one's language.